Are you aiming to bridge the language barrier in your business and embrace a global audience? Welcome to your premier destination for transcending language limits, where we redefine the art of communication. Across the globe, elite coaching, state-of-the-art translation, expert interpretation, and precision transcription are seamlessly integrated with cutting-edge innovation for a transformative experience. Dive into our diverse array of services tailored to meet your every need. From translation and transcription services to subtitle and captioning, we have you covered. Specializing in niche areas, we offer medical, academics, legal and law transcription, ensuring expert handling of your specific requirements. Embarking on your language journey is as effortless as it gets. Just share your requirements and relax. We're set to take on the task, ensuring swift and precise delivery, customized to your unique needs. Quality isn't just a promise at Manjaree Academy, it's a guarantee with accuracy rates of 95% and above. Your confidence is our top priority, which is why we protect your projects with NDAs and utmost confidentiality. Witness our dedication firsthand. We're delighted to offer a free sample of our service, whether a text page or a 5-minute audio-video clip. Discover the Manjaree difference yourself. Let no language stand in the way of your success. Reach out to Manjaree Academy today and unleash your business's full potential. We're here to ensure your message transcends borders. Manjaree Academy, where languages transform.